Hello guys, welcome back to your app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to make a Tarpapel in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now creating a Tarpapel here in Canva can be kind of complicated because the feature itself is not yet available. So in order for us to make this a lot easier for us, we'll be using a different platform that is quite similar to Canva. So we'll be using DocuSlice. Now in this case, you want to visit their official website, which is going to be docuslice.com. Click on Get Started here, or either click on the web link that you see underneath the Get Started. Now it should open up a new tab here, which in this case, you should be able to see this one. Now, what we need to do is we need to drop an image here. So as an example, I'm going to use this image here. Let's go ahead and drag it into our Canva. From here, let's go and click on Add to Page. Now, you could go ahead and resize this whatever you want. You could go ahead and basically change a few things, expand it if you needed to. But yeah, so let's go ahead and just make sure it fits. And once you've done that, you could go ahead and basically resize this at the bottom left. So in this case, you could go ahead and full size and switch, full size, keep aspect ratio. Also, if you want to view or deselect the grid here. Now you could also deselect this poster. You could go and choose a different one. But yeah. Now also here in the poster section, you can basically indicate how many rows and how many columns here. Yeah. So if you want to edit this further, you have your paper at the better bottom here. So you could choose the size for this one. So you can either choose leather, folio, legal. So choose whatever paper you have. And if you're done with the edit here, you go and click on the share at the top right here. And you can change a few things. Like for example, you can change the margin. So 0 inch if you want to use that, or 0.25 if you want to add some space on it. But once you're sure, you could go ahead and click on the share at the bottom right here. And in order for you to download this, you need to create your account. So you can either sign in with your Apple account, Google account. So go ahead and do that, whatever option you want. So I'm going to use my Google account to do this real quickly. Click on continue. And as you can see, we now have the option to export as PDF or export as images. Let's go and click on export as PDF. It should start the process here, so this might take a while. So just wait for this one. So go ahead and click on download PDF. Let's go and open it up just to make sure it's good. As you can see right now, that's our images. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to your up. Thank you for watching.